No, you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down, slow down. I tell them, slow down. You know you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down, slow down. I tell them, I'm on the case getting sideways. $4.45 on the highway. You know a nigga stay to stay on the dolo mission, I got a date with the cake. Wide walk, 3 a.m. Probably touch down when the sun come in. When them guards hit the gate, I'm tired as fuck after that 8-hour race. I come from the land where we swing our cars. Figure 8 dance, concrete leave Mars. Call it pain, supercharged. Back to back, race the Benz with the photo Porsche. I'm tearing up ties in this luxury. Hella smoke since you wanna fuck with me. Money on my mind, ain't nothing for free. Tryna keep up with me, but it's nothing to me. I tell them, slow down. No, you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down. Good money. Slow down. I tell them, slow down. You know you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down. No, you can't catch me. Slow down. I tell them,
slow down. You know you can't catch me. Hype without fugitive. Snipes Wesley. Boys get on me, try to test me, arrest me. Wet in a motherfucker, whip like a Destiny. Ride like Presley, pills like Graceland. They wanna ship me to read it and off to reception. Nah, ain't trying to see the state pen. I'm black scaled out in my Ray-Ban. Diamond certified, I ain't never lied. I ain't had L since Pac died. Riding through the vitals. Couple bundles talking about sliders. Learn from the lifers, mine still swift. FedEx movement, all on the pitch. Out with the stash by Cassie too swift. No front, push a button, give a nigga that gift.
Slow down. No, you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down. Slow down. I tell them, slow down. You know you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down.
Let me have a right quick, Pasha. This time I'm mob, nigga. I'm Jeff Gordon in his heyday. Riding like ponies through expression through a two-way. I'm doing about 100, kinda blending up the Louis. Louis 13th, motherfucker, yeah, Louis. DUI, driver black Kenny on my lap. Pedal to the floor with an 808 clap. Money motivated, doing sprints when I'm chasing it. It gotta be a hit me, I don't normally do the basic. 6-cylinder, really bro? Slow it down, keep up, hear me killing ya. Hope I'm not offending ya. See you at the finish line, leaving them. Burn rubber, burn rubber. This is how we do it when I'm dipping on the corner. Burn rubber, burn rubber. This is how we do it in Northern California.
Slow down. No, you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down. Slow down. I tell them, slow down. You know you can't catch me, I move too fast on the gas, don't chase me. Slow down. You know you can't catch me. Slow down. I tell them.
Don't let money change you.
The story of a kid, his name is Cisco, who made more money than the Count of Monte Cristo. He lived a lavish style of life, fast money, living cars, and he liked to frequent bars, pubs, and discos. Made his living as a world famous rap star. When he first started, Mike respects what he was after. And so he got inside his mind day and night, and he write constantly his art and craft he tried to master. Started winning local battles, and his rap grew. Gave his crew a reputation as the best crew. off the people he came up with. Ego blown like his soul had been abducted. Though his heart was once real, now material has filled up his world and he couldn't get enough of it. Used to wanna be the best of the rap gods. Now his only one concern is going platinum. And his skill has since decreased and the inner hunger ceased. Now content just as long as making cash come. He's a big Willie now, rapping about cars. $1,000 shopping sprees, hanging out with stars. I mean, just a year ago he was broke, bumming money, drinking out the 40 bottle, living outdoors.
He thought about it.
was once real. Now material has filled up his world and he couldn't get enough of it. Used to wanna be the best of the rap gods. Now his only one concern is going platinum. And his skill has since decreased and the inner hunger ceased. Now content just as long as fame and cash come. He's a big Willie now, rapping about cars. $1,000 shopping sprees, hanging out with stars. I mean, just a year ago, he was broke, bumming money, drinking out the 40 bottle, living outdoors. He's looking for the same hit, but his sound is played, he forgot to change with the moving rhymes, no one feeling him. His rhymes ain't appealing anymore, and his records ain't selling shit. Now he's dropped from his label and he's going broke. Try to underground return,